finishes. Again, Japanese steel with a mahogany and resin handle that looks beautiful with a nice chromium finish on either end. The blade is a lovely sculpted piece of Japanese steel, as you can see, beautiful scalloped head. What I really like is when they just feel right in your hand. It makes a huge difference, because if it feels right, you're going to shave right. Let's get some lather on. Let's see how well this glides. That's smooth. And clearly, as you can hear, it's sharp. There you have it. It is generally that easy. So, Naked Armors Gaheris, beautiful shaver, razor sharp as expected. Naked Armors Gaheris Straight Razor, beautiful, shaves perfectly, as you can see, smooth.